All right, folks, coming up next is Amtrak 531 to Oakland at London Square Station. Seaman Charger 2124 leads off. All right, 2124 leads off for the point. Cat car is 6961, Port Arguello. The two loudest one. All right, folks, we'll be right back. Okay, we'll be right back. All right, folks, this is Amtrak 531 now departing Oakland, not Oakland, at London Square, Emeryville Station. SC44 2124 leads off. Cat car in the back is 83, not 83. Cat car in the back is 6961, Port Arguello on that set. Alright, folks, they got that train on its way to the Oakland at London Square, Oakland, which is the next stop over from this stop. Alright, folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell your colleagues about my videos. And that's it. Have a good Tuesday. Alright, folks. Bye-bye now.